In a misty valley, a seasoned instructor led a diverse group through a hands-on module on survival skills and nature education. Blending science with fieldcraft, they traced water sources using moss patterns and solar angles, then sketched edible plants, emphasizing safety and ethics in the wild. The lesson shifted to shelter design, constructing a lightweight tarp shelter that could withstand sudden rain and wind with minimal impact on the terrain. A quick navigation test followed, using stars at dusk and a makeshift compass, highlighting observation and calm decision-making. By sunset, the group's confidence grew, proving nature is both teacher and ally when approached with respect and curiosity.